Hello friends, this is Yrvind, and now I started to shape the rudder blade. So first I do the top side here against the bottom, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more to get the bronze bearing on. Hello friends, Peter's helping me, Christmas is gone, and here I'm starting to shaping it this way. Here's a lamination going like this, and I couldn't do it right in the middle. So this little, and this I injected infusion epoxy here, and the whole of this one went in there. And it's like a connection between here and here, so it's a bit lower, so it was running out a little bit, but it's a lot of epoxy, now it's very solid. So, hello friends, now I started with shaping the rudder blade, and when that's done and laminated, I'm going to put this one here. But that's, I don't know, these screws are strong in the wood, but how strong are they here? Because first I have to get them there, and then I have to retake them and put glue on. So I'm going to make a little test. It's one screw, but the tabs are not long enough, so this vi kan inte, den går åt fel håll. Ska vi stå där kanske? Busy. Ja, det är 70 kilo i alla fall. Eller hur mycket var det? So it didn't even break. We will see. Okay, thank you.